Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by verifying requirements. Make sure your phone runs Android 11 or later and has at least 2 GB free. Once done, enable unknown sources in settings so you can install apps outside the Play Store. This is safe if you use a reputable APK source. Next, download a lightweight dynamic island app. Pick one with good reviews and recent updates. I'll show why each step matters. Compatibility prevents crashes, permissions allow installation, and app choice affects battery and performance. Now configure the app. Grant overlay permission so the island appears over other apps, then give accessibility and notification access so it reads events. Once permissions are set, adjust position, size, and animation speed. Smaller sizes save screen space, slower animations look smoother. Then map behaviors. Assign music controls, call answer/reject actions, and timer or alert previews. Make sure to test with a few apps. This is where fine-tuning prevents missed notifications and avoids conflicts with full-screen apps. Finish by testing. Place a call, play music, start a timer, and confirm the island shows controls and previews. Once satisfied, set Do Not Disturb exceptions if you want priority alerts only, and optimize battery usage by disabling aggressive background restrictions for the app. Low brightness themes help too. If something goes wrong, recheck notification and overlay permissions, and remove the app from battery optimization. These fixes usually solve missed events. You're ready to use Dynamic Island as a practical, unobtrusive status hub.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.